This answer is powered by AskQuesty.com. Get help with your Shopify questions or tasks on demand.
Hi everyone, so I'm going to show you how to call an image file from your assets folder into your theme.liquid file. It's a little bit tricky. What Shopify uses are filter tags. I'm going to include a cheat sheet in the comment section of this video so you can review it for different types of files that you might want to add. So I'm in my themes and I go to edit code, and then here's my layout. So I'm going to go theme.liquid, and this is what an image tag would look like. So I'm going to do 2 curly brackets plus the name of your file. This has to be exact. It is case sensitive, so make sure it is exact. Then I'm going to do a vertical brace, and then I'm going to do asset underscore img underscore URL. Okay. And in this, you can tag on a sizing if you would like, say 124 pics. And you can also tag on another vertical brace, an image tag, which would be your alt tag. All right, so that is how you add an image. You might also see it like this without the asset to it. It could be image URL. You can also add, if you use your file from your admin dashboard instead of your assets folder, maybe you want to add a PDF. You would use with a vertical bracket, it would be file. Oops, I forgot to add the, there you go. It would be file underscore URL, curly brackets. All right, so what about if you want to add to your SCSS file? I'm going to show you how to do that. So if I go to the end of this, all right, so maybe I want to add a background image to the body. So I'm going to go background image. Okay, so it's going to be URL, parentheses, the 2 curly brackets, the name of your file, vertical brace, image, URL. I want to add a size of 700 by 700. And another vertical brace. And my image tag. Right, and then close your curly brackets and also close your parentheses and your last curly brackets for the body. So that's what that's going to look like in your CSS as well. There's a lot of different options that you can do with this. You can add a crop feature to this. Maybe you wanted to crop the bottom of it. So there's a lot of options. Like I said, I'm going to include the cheat sheet so you can see how filter tags work and how to use them effectively in your Shopify theme. Hope that helps, and have a great day.
Was this helpful? Ask a Shopify question now. AskQuesty.com.